Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I basically made and put on my aloe vera mask. This is my second time trying an aloe vera mask on my hair, and I actually forgot to film an intro for this video, so I just wanted to come on here really quickly and talk to you guys and just tell you guys what is going on a little bit. So I'll be showing you guys how I do or use an aloe vera mask on my hair. If you guys decide to try it, or if you want to try it, then stay tuned to see how I do it. Of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a like if you want more hair videos, and comment down below any other videos you'd like to see. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get right into this video. So guys, in order to achieve this mask, you'll need aloe vera, of course, a bowl, some black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I use the one from Tropical Isle, and some extra virgin olive oil. That's what I put in mine. Of course, we'll also need like a strainer. I think that's how you call it. Something to strain the aloe vera, and a mixer, So those are all the things you usually need. So I only had 4 strips because I was out of aloe vera. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the aloe vera, split it in 2, and I'm slightly going to kind of scrape it off into the bowl. And you want to do this and be careful guys, so you don't cut yourself, Just slowly scrape it into the bowl and take your time with it. You want to get as close as possible to the outside, so that you get all that gel inside the aloe vera leaves in the bowl, because that's the important part that has all that juice. So that's what I'm pretty much doing with everything. I'm kind of cutting the aloe vera and the skin off, and then after that I just kind of go in the middle and scrape it off, scrape all that gel into the bowl, and just keep doing that until all the aloe vera leaves are in the bowl, all the gel is in the bowl. Now you can go ahead and use a full aloe vera leaf, but like I said, I didn't have that much left in my house, so I just used these 4 pieces, and they're cut in these pieces because we normally use it on our skin, so my mom just cuts it in pieces. She stores it in the freezer so that we can use it on our skin, and that's also why it's really juicy, because it was frozen and it had to be thawed, so it's really juicy, as you can see. But basically, yeah, if you want more in your hair, you can use more, but that's what I use, and it actually was enough. But you'll see later, I'll explain how I liked it and everything, and what I think about how much I use. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take that black castor Jamaican oil and just use the cap. I didn't want to put too much of it in it, so I just used 1 scoop, I think, or maybe 2, not more than 2, and I just put that in there, and that's kind of going into my mixture. And then I am also going to take my extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just pour a little bit in there. I didn't take any precise measures, guys, so just pour as much as you want, but you don't need that much in there. And next I'm gonna take all of that and put it into my blender, because now it's time to go ahead and blend everything together. So I'm just blending everything making sure that it's like as liquidy as possible and there's not that many like how do you call it, that many like lumps or whatever. So yeah, just blend it as much as you can. And then once everything is blended, I'm gonna go ahead and take that strainer and just basically pour all of the aloe vera mixture in it. And this step is so important, guys, because the first time I did this, I didn't do this, and that's why I had like white flakes in my hair. And this time I did it, and it like made such a difference. So just do that, and I'm just kind of like pushing it down with my fingers to make sure I get all the liquid out as much as possible, and that is what I have to use.
Okay, so now that I'm done doing that, we're gonna try working with this. I feel like it's not as much as I thought it would be, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm going to take this off. Now my hair underneath it is dirty because I need to wash it, so I'm doing this before a wash. But you know, we'll try and make it work. So I have 2 pigtails. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by wetting my hair because I think it's gonna help, especially since I don't have a lot. So I brought a little syringe thing to make it easier to like get it into my roots, because I really want to get it. The main purpose for me doing this is because I wanted to like hydrate my roots or moisturize my roots. So, and of course my ends too, like my whole head, but I want to try and focus on 2 areas, mostly my roots and my ends. So I'm just gonna take down these braids and then we're gonna start. So here are my 2 sides. Let's hope this works. So I'm gonna start with my roots. I'm gonna take this syringe thingy and just take a little bit in it and like really focus it inside my roots. I'm gonna do the other side. And I'm gonna do the middle. Okay, I think that maybe I'll have enough. Like, I feel like my head won't be as saturated as I want it to be, but it'd still be enough. So I'm just gonna try and like now I'm gonna focus on my ends. I'm gonna use, oh, that is not what I wanted to do, but I'm gonna use my fingers for this part because I think it's easier with my fingers. So I'm gonna try splitting it in 2 and just working like that. So now I'm just scooping out the rest and trying to like distribute it evenly in my hair, making sure like my hair is well coated, especially like in the middle of my hair, because I feel like that's the part that's like the driest, you know? So I just poured everything else on my head, made sure my ends were well coated. Hopefully this helps with the tangling too. But yeah, so my hair is coated. I could have made a little more. I just didn't have enough left in my house. But if I would, I feel like my hair would have been like more coated than now, and I probably would have liked it. So next time I'm gonna try making a little more, but like I said, I couldn't right now because I didn't have that much left. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put these in 2 braids like I had them, and then I'm gonna put a cap on top. And I do not like the smell of aloe vera, guys. I know some people use it like as a, what's it called, a leave-in conditioner, but I don't like doing that because I just don't like the smell of it, especially not in my hair. So I prefer doing like a mask and then rinsing it out. Okay, so that's enough. They don't have to be perfect. So I'm gonna put a plastic cap on it. My hands are so slippery, guys, because of this thing. I can't even tie. So I'm gonna deep condition and leave this in for like a few hours because I have other stuff to do. I'm gonna study, eat, cook, whatever, and then I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be right back. So stay tuned for that.
So this is how my hair looked, guys. It felt so moisturized. Like my scalp felt so moisturized. I was really happy with the results this time. I hope you guys like them too. I think I would definitely say try this here for yourself, and you know, you'll see, especially if you want a hair growth and moisture at the same time, I think it's a good thing to try. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out after I washed it out.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I've now braided my hair, but basically this is how I applied the mask to my hair, and you guys have definitely seen some clips of how my hair looks. I definitely feel like it helped with my hair moisture. I didn't like it the first time because I feel like the first time I didn't do the mask properly. I had tried it like a few years ago and I didn't like it because it left white like residue in my hair. or like white crumbles in my hair, and I really didn't like it. But I tried it a different way this time, and I really like the outcome. So if you guys want to try it at home, definitely do so. I feel like it definitely helped with my hair moisture. My hair was a little dry beforehand because it had been a while since the last time I washed it. So definitely, if you're looking to add more moisture to your hair, I would definitely recommend doing an aloe vera mask. I think aloe vera is really good for moisture in general, so I think it's good to try it on your hair. I use it a lot on my face, but in my hair, I like the new way and the new method that I use. Definitely, I think I'm gonna do this even more often. If you guys want me to come back on and give you guys an update of how my hair is doing, I can definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course, if you want to see more video like these, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.